Want to stay organized and make sure nothing slips through the cracks? In today's special New Year's series on Thrive in 5, I'll share why using checklists is a simple yet powerful tool for ensuring that you stay on top of your tasks and your goals. Welcome back to Thrive in 5, where I give you a quick burst of motivation and productivity in 5 minutes or less. I'm Cindy, your host, a self-made entrepreneur, busy mom, and business coach. I've built and sold several digital businesses ranging from 5 to 6-figure successes. So when it comes to managing time and priorities in both life and work, I get it. I've been there, and I'm here to help you thrive. Today, we're focusing on a practical tool that you can use to boost your productivity and help you manage even the busiest days using checklists. Checklists might seem pretty basic, but they're actually incredibly effective for keeping track of tasks, maintaining consistency, and reducing mental clutter. So let's dive into why checklists work and how to use them effectively for long-term success. One of the best ways to maximize your day is to prepare your checklist the night before. This practice helps you start the day with a clear plan and reduces decision-making stress in the morning. List out your main tasks and any smaller items that need attention. Knowing what you'll need to accomplish before the day begins sets a positive, proactive tone. This habit allows you to prioritize your tasks effectively by visualizing your day ahead of time. You can arrange your checklist in the order of importance, making it easy to tackle those high-priority tasks first. Large projects can feel overwhelming, but by breaking them down into smaller checklist items, it makes it a little more manageable. Instead of writing complete project on your list, break it down into actionable steps like research for the project, draft the outline, edit the final draft. Each step becomes a smaller, more achievable milestone, giving you clear, focused actions. This approach not only helps you see progress, but it also builds momentum as you check off each task. It's a great way to stay motivated and ensure that nothing gets overlooked in those complex projects. Checklists are also perfect for creating consistency in your daily and weekly routines. Whether it's a morning checklist to ensure you're starting your day right, or a workday shutdown checklist to close out tasks before leaving your desk, these lists can make your habits stick. Over time, what starts as a checklist can evolve into second nature, allowing for you to complete tasks more efficiently without forgetting essential steps. Consistency reduces the mental load of remembering routine tasks and freeing your mind to focus on more creative and demanding work. Checklists are pretty effective because they simplify your organization and they help you avoid oversight. They break down simple tasks into actionable steps, making even the most overwhelming to-do list feel achievable. When you check off completed items, your brain gets a dopamine boost, creating positive reinforcement that keeps you more inclined to keep going. Using checklists also reduces cognitive overload. Instead of holding all your tasks in your mind, you offload them onto a piece of paper or a digital tool. This frees up mental space for deeper thinking and problem solving. So to recap, your action steps today are to try using a checklist. Make your checklist the night before so that you can start your day with clarity. Break down big projects into smaller, actionable tasks. Use the checklist to create consistency in your routines and incorporate these checklists into your daily life to ensure that nothing gets overlooked and enjoy the satisfaction of crossing off the completed tasks. It's a simple step with big benefits for your productivity. Thanks for spending these 5 minutes with me on Thrive in 5. If today's tip was helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and share with another amazing person who could use a little productivity boost. And tag exclusively Cindy on social media. I'd love to hear how you are using these tips and which ones are your favorite. Until next time, stay focused and keep thriving.